So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC, in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your cryptocurrency account. Then once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. So at the bottom here, once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Now if you want to buy Litecoin, simply go down to where it says Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC, press on Litecoin right here. Now once you're on this screen, go to where it says buy at the bottom left. Now to set a limit buy for this stock, or I guess for this cryptocurrency coin, go to where it says market buy at the top, press on market buy, go to where it says limit buy. So choose the highest price per coin you're willing to pay your limit. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. So I'll press on limit right here. Now to set a limit price, so as you can tell, LTC price, so Litecoin price is at $145.63 Canadian. So if I wanted to make it 145.00 or whatever amount you're comfortable with for this example, I simply just press on continue right here. Now invest however much money. So if I want to do $2, I press on $2, press continue, and basically you have now set the limit price for Litecoin at $145. So if this a coin ever goes down to 145, this order would actually fulfill automatically, and if it doesn't by the end of the day, then it'll just be canceled all in total. So that is how you guys can set a limit buy for Litecoin here in Canada using the Wealthsimple mobile application. I hope this video helps.